Hey, it's Jyotishakti here. How you going? I just wanted to share a quick video with you today about receiving messages and cues from the universe and some potential ways in which you can help to amp that up or help to switch it on a bit more. And what I've noticed is that the more I practice connecting inwards and the more I practice meditation, the more I practice connecting to my intuition and doing particular things that build that connection, the easier it is to notice the cues that the universe is giving me. So through the law of attraction, the law of vibration, we can quite easily draw to us different things in our life that we want to create and that we want to manifest. And it's the more we raise our vibration, the more that we are pulling to us the kinds of things that we want to experience. So meditation is a great way to raise your vibration. Thinking positive thoughts is a great way to raise your vibration. Being around people who are really uplifting is also a great way to raise your vibration. Meditation, doing spiritual practices, things like that. So essentially, another way that you can really help to uplift yourself is to practice the energy of gratitude. And when we're practicing the energy of gratitude, we're thinking often about things that we're grateful for. And one of the things that I find in myself before I was really consciously focusing on gratitude as something in my life was that I thought I was a grateful person, but then I realized that there's actually a lot more scope and a lot more room to be more grateful and to practice that a lot more than what I was. So one of the ways in which you can do that is to notice things that are happening in your day. So notice, like, you might notice an ambulance siren, for example, and so allow that to be a trigger to make you think, oh, I'm grateful for my health, I'm grateful for my healthy body. Or if you see somebody going to an ATM to get out some money, like thinking, thank you for all the money that I have in my life. I'm having gratitude for all of the money that comes into my life easily and gracefully. So you can use different things that are happening in your day as being cues from the universe to help switch you on to a higher state of gratitude. And that's something that I'm practicing a little bit at the moment. And I've got a little bit of a funny story. I woke up with some, like, we're staying in a villa in Bali, and I woke up and there was like some bugs crawling on me, and my husband Vidya is like, they're termites. And I'm like, oh no. And then you get that sensation, it's like you think everything is, you think every sensation on your body is some kind of bug, but it's not. I thought, oh, I'll switch that around to having gratitude. And so I think, oh, I'm grateful for my home. I'm grateful for my amazing home. I'm grateful for my home that's in a fantastic condition. So, because often, termites can mean the opposite of that. They can mean that the destruction of many people's homes, because termites tend to destroy things. So it's a great trigger when you see things happening to flip it around and go, oh, I'm grateful for this, I'm grateful for that. So that can be one way that you receive cues and messages from the universe. The other way is to directly ask for a sign or directly ask for guidance around something. So this is something I tend to do actually in meditation. When I'm meditating, I'll ask for some guidance, or please, I would like to know the answer to this. Or, if I'm using some cards, we've got a few different decks of cards, like Strength of the Soul cards, or sometimes we use angel cards and things like that. So what we're doing in that is just holding the cards, asking for some guidance. Oh, I'd like to receive an answer around this. In meditation, same thing. I'd like to receive an answer around this. I know some other people also like to just ask the universe directly, show me a sign. Sometimes it can show up on a billboard, the exact answer that they're seeking. Or, a book might fall off a shelf that is the exact, and they open it on the page that is the exact thing that they need to know. But it's good to ask, it's really good to ask for the answers and expect that you will receive a that something's going to come in where you'll receive that answer. And it's also good for us for confirmation, secondary confirmation. So if you receive an answer to something, asking, I want to know this beyond any doubt that this is true, that this is the right answer for me. And then it'll come secondary to that. So the more you switch on to it, the stronger and easier and faster it happens. That's not necessarily true all the time. Sometimes it's going to take a little while for that answer to come in because it needs to be the right time for that to happen as well. So yeah, so that's my little trick for today, and try it out. Let me know how you go, and I'll see you soon.